Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon for instant notification. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vinita. I hope you all doing good. In this video, I'm going to show the room decoration which I did on my husband's birthday. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So first, let's have a look into my bedroom. As you all can see, my roof is at a height. I'm using a thick thread for making a base at a height of 10 feet from the floor. For required materials, make sure to check out the description box down below. As you can see, I have tied cotton string to the balloons which is attached with the paper heart. I am also using these paper hearts with some satin ribbons. These are some curled balloon ribbons. I am using the red and black color. To hang the balloons on the thread base, I am using the transparent tape. Can see, I have attached some photographs with the red satin ribbon. completing the decoration part, in last I have used a black color bed sheet as the theme is of black and red color. So let's have a final look. I hope you like this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment for more videos. Bye bye.